Ka India kala kenok baka Pakistan kala Pynlong Jingiada di kiriu Paidbah bat kala bu Jingmaru ya ka Jingem jongki da ka basha iki Liengsuin jongka ki bakit ya ki bakin her hakapor baka siat iki namding ki jongki syaka ketem jongki sipai India bat kat baki sipai India ki dangele ban yo ban pen bethaino ya kita ki namding baka Pakistan kala siat hakamit nyobat pratarik menta ubnai Kani ka jingle ka Pakistan ka long ban penthot ya ka jingsiat jong ka India ya ki bor ya da sun jong ka kat kum katanat kambari kari bat ka wing commander jong ki sipai sun jong ka India ka vyomi ka sing ka Pakistan kala penher da ki spa tali ki drone bat kumba pratali ki missile ki bathau ya ki lai penretali ki jaka hajamu pathankot Udhampur Srinagar Amritsar Ludhiana Bhuj bat ki wei haba keren kilat pathai khubor ka vyomi ka sing kala ya thu baka Pakistan kala siat hadu kombalai spa tali ki drone shaki lai penre tali ki jaka hakamiet jangka pratarik bat ka step khandai tarik mentau banai kat kum ka jingtep bala yo lum khama shwala nget bekite ki drone ki dei ki bana turki bat ka jingwat bania kadang yat ban pentikana yakata.
Additionally, Pakistan's irresponsible behavior again came to fore. Pakistan did not close its civil airspace despite it launching a failed unprovoked drone and missile attack on 7th May at 8:30 hours in the evening. Pakistan is using civil airliners as a shield, knowing fully well that its attack on India would elicit a swift air defense response. This is not safe for the unsuspecting civil airliners, including the international flights which were flying near IB between India and Pakistan. The screenshot we just showed and we shall share with you, it shows the data of the application Flight Radar 24 during a high air defense alert situation in the Punjab sector. As you have seen, the airspace on the Indian side is absolutely devoid of civil air traffic due to our declared closure. However, there are civil airlines flying the air route between Karachi and Lahore. Amongst the other civil aircraft that you can see, we have highlighted an aircraft which is Airbus 320 of Flynas Aviation, which was originated from Dammam at 1750 hours and landed later at Lahore at 2110 hours in the night. Indian Air Force demonstrated considerable restraint in its response, thus ensuring safety of international civil carrier.